Hi everyone, welcome to today's this month's tech tip for our newsletter for January. So today we'll be going over Trello with me and my colleague Andres Munoz, and my name is Miguel Urrutia, and we'll jump right in.
We're going to show you quickly how you can set up a Trello account, which will basically keep you organized and keep all your projects in one condensed area. So hopefully make your life a little bit easier. So as you can see, you can sign up with your personal account or through Microsoft or Google. We're going to go through Microsoft since that's where our work email is located. So click there. So then it shows up, your email is going to show up, your work email is going to show up. You see it says it has my Cal Pavimona email. We're going to click on that. And then we're going to accept. All right, so it's going to ask you to verify your email. So you're going to be sent an email that'll contain a verification code. Just copy and paste the digits that show up into this box to verify your account. And then it brings you to the homepage of Trello. And through here, you can create boards, templates, and then also there's a getting started page that helps you go through the basics of what you need to accomplish.
And right now I'll be talking about the features, so kind of getting started. So how I saw Andres was calculate from one board. To change it, the titles you want to go into settings and edit team details, and this is the part where you will name like the name of the organization or department you're working with, and change the content type and give a short description. And in this section, you'd be able to add team members. So you can send them you type in their email, or send them a notification that you're allowing them to see your board. It's also mark it as private for that the settings. So it'll be visible to the team and it won't be visible to other departments or available online. And you can also link with the stack team. And boards, each team has a maximum of 10 boards, so keep that in mind. And they create multiple teams and stuff. And for myself, I kind of create a personal board where it's like my to-do list where I have to doing done. I could edit the team name. So when you edit like a name for the team title, you want to make sure you add in all the information and press save to it, or else it won't keep that changes. And you can also change the image of the board as well. And you want to decide what team. So there is no section for your personal board. I thought there would be a personal board section. So every time you click here, we go either or. So if you don't have a personal board, you just want to create a new team called personal, and then you just create you add your board there. For my case, I would have it into Miguel's personal board. And then if you're not too sure how to get started, you can always go, right now I'll do another one here. Start with a template. There's multiple design templates of the community, and as well as the Trello application has a lot of templates you could choose from. And another feature on this, since we're using like a free account, there is only there's the thing called Powerups. So when I add a card to this, so for example, I'm gonna do a website development. Once you create the card, to add information, you just want to click on the card, add descriptions to it. And what I've been using right now currently is called the custom fields. And these are the power up sections where you can choose what you power up. What would you like as power up? You can only use one per team. And once you click at add power ups, you'll be able to see all the available power ups. And since you can only choose one, you would have to disable the custom fields in order to add a different one. For example, this is like my to-do list, and there's another feature called the calendar feature, and I have it for the Instagram team. And so if I go into, for example, here, my power up is the calendar, which is not showing up here, but I had to unenable the calendar for me to do the custom fields. So in this case, I have the calendar view and able to view that. Right. So you see where if I wanted to add this custom field, I would have to unenable the calendar feature in order to get the custom fields. So yeah, so just keep that in mind with the free account. But on that, it's free to use and it's a great way to start the new year. And again, you can also download the application on your Windows computer or your Mac computer. There are you can use it on the web browser as well as like your mobile device. So that way you can always keep on track on what you're working on for the week. Yep. That's all we have today. There's any other suggestions or things we should add?
No, just that I agree with you that it's a very great tool to use for New Year if your New Year's resolution is to be more organized, more efficient. I think this will definitely help out.
Hmm. Well, with that, we'll be ending today's tech tip, well, January's tech tip. So hope to see you in the next tech tip. Have a good day, everybody, and happy New Year's.